our date with Tel. And we are walking because there's no parking in this time of the day. No more parking space anywhere. So we're just walk to the train station since it's very near to our place. Well, 10 to 15 minutes walk. Okay, so we're going to the city. Can you tell? And this is the busy place now. Been very busy in our place. It's too much development compared 1999. Now it's 2025. 25 years. 25, 26, 19. 26 years na. Eh, ganito na ang development. See? At may Aldi, may hotel. And it's sunny. It's very nice weather today.
It's hot. I shouldn't have worn this.
Huh?
Because we're walking as well, so.
No, but later in the afternoon.
I've already.
See, I
already
just
hot.
I'm holding my my jacket.
It's nice because it's sunny. Now with cool breeze.
Yeah, because it's almost spring na. Ilang days na lang. Oh. Huh? This side.
Left.
Very big na yung mga magnolia nila. Oh, blossom. Hindi na tayo nakapunta dito. Pag adult, dapat to adults pala, senior, Tel, para half price. We will enjoy our day out in the city. Okay. Okay, see you. Bye. Bye,
See you
Tel.
at the city.
Bye.